So look at this question here. We have been told that 4 power x plus 4 power x equals to 72. Now we need to solve this question. Now the first thing we do, remember 4 power x plus 4 power x, those are the common numbers, okay? Now it will be 4 power x into, this one equals the 1 plus 1 equals to 72 because they are the same, okay? So this point we have the like terms here. That's 4 power x into 2 because 1 plus 1 it is 2 equals to 72. Then the next step here, this is now 4 power x times 2 equals to 72. Now I need to move this 2 from here. I divide it by 2, divide it by 2. So I'm going to have 4 power x equals to 72 over 2. This is the same as now what? 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 36. So here it is 36. So the next step from here, we introduce the log. Then we introduce log. So this quantity will be log 4 power x equals to log 36. Okay. Now I introduce the log there. I need to take this x to the left hand side. Now it will be x log 4 equals to log 36. Okay. Then I need to divide here by log 4 divided by log 4. Okay. Now when I divide that one, remember this one, we cancel this one. So I'm going to remain with only that is now x equals to log 36 over log 4. Okay. Now this contains already you people know that x equals to log 36 is equals to what? Take my calculator, log 36. Log 36, that is 1.5563 over log 4. Log 4, that is 0.6021. Okay. Now when you divide this one here, that is 1.5563 divided by 0.6021, it will be x is equal to 2.58. That's x is equal to 2.58. But we can prove it, huh? Let us prove it and see that is the answer. So x 4 power x plus 4 power x. 4 power x plus 4 power x, which is now 4 power 2.58 plus 4 power 2.58. That's 4 power 2.58 plus 4 power 2.58. Yeah, good. Now we get 71.5. That is the answer. Now, which means at this point here, This one here? Yeah, correct.